my blog at jazzyscreation.com/blog to find free downloads and printables like this one. This ice cream imitation is also made with Taiwan's Glaminator. My blog also has do-it-yourself instructions on how to create this cardboard ice cream truck. Also free printable menus, of course for a limited time only, find them on my shop. Lots of details are made with Cricut, Joann's Fabrics, Xyron Adhesive, and other craft stores. Details will be available on my link. Let's get started and how to create your own ice cream party for your little one. Find the details on my blogs. Learn what I use to entertain a toddler. She's 1 year old, so not quite yet toddler, but close enough. You'll find that I use crayons, chalks, bubbles, this is a great way to teach your little one sensory skills, motor skills, and they really have lots of fun. Perfect for the summer.
That's enough. That's enough. Do you want ice cream?
You can see she really enjoyed playing with this ice cream truck. I highly recommend it. Really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching.